With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, I am your teacher for this question, and the question is, if the anion A forms the hexagonal closest packing and cation C occupy only 2 by 3 of the octahedral voids in it, then the general formula of the compound is. So in this question it is given that anions A, they form the hexagonal closed packing and cation C occupy the octahedral void. So we will first draw a unit cell of hexagonal closest packing. So in hexagonal closed packing, that is HCP, in H the layering or stacking of atoms is of AB type. So if we draw a unit cell in which A atoms are arranged on a hexagonal plane, so this is A layer, this is the B layer, and this is again the A layer. So this is a unit cell of HCP packing, hexagonal closed packing, in which the atoms which are present at the corners, atoms are also present at these face centers. So the corner atoms are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 in this sheet. So number of corner atoms in HCP packing, number of corner atoms are 12, and the contribution of one corner atom to one unit cell is 1 by 6. Contribution of one corner atom per unit cell of HCP, that is 1 by 6, because it will be shared by 5 other unit cells also. In total it will be shared by one corner atom is shared by 6 unit cells. So contribution of one corner atom to one unit cell is 1 by 6. It means total corner atoms are 12 into 1 by 6, so that will give us 2. Now these are the B atoms which are present in the body center. So as we know, the body center atoms totally belongs to one unit cell. So number of body centered atoms, so that will be 3. And these are the two face centered atoms, these blue shaded. So these are the face centered atoms. So there are two face centered atoms. Number of face centered atoms, so these are 2, and its contribution to one unit cell is half, because these face center atoms are shared by 2 unit cells. So contribution of one face centered atom per unit cell is half. So it means total face centered atoms would be 2 into 1 by 2. So that will give us 1. It means in a unit cell of HCP, total number of atoms are 2 plus 3 plus 1, that is 6. It means total atoms in HCP unit cell, that will be 6. So now it is given that the anions A forms the hexagonal closed packing. If the anions form the hexagonal closed packing, so all the anions will be in hexagonal closed packing. It means number of anions in HCP, so that will be equals to 6, because there are total 6 atoms in HCP, And it is given that the cation C occupy 2 by 3 of the octahedral voids. So octahedral voids are, the total octahedral voids are equals to the number of atoms in HCP. So that will be equals to 6. It means number of cations C, that will be 2 by 3 of the octahedral void it is given, and octahedral voids are 6, so that will give us 2 by 3 into 6, so that is 4. Now we have the total number of atoms in total anions in HCP and number of cations which occupy the octahedral void. So its ratio is A is to C is 6 is to 4. It means, so if we simplify this ratio, then it will become 3 is to 2. It means A3C2 is the formula of the compound. So we will check in the options which option is correct. We have A2C3. So A3C2. So that would be A3C2, that would be third option, C2A3. This is the same thing. So the formula of the compound is C2A3. So I hope you understood the solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.